Wausau Siding System's octagon shapes can be installed on walls or in gables. Nailable structural sheathing is required because of the off-stud layout and nailing requirements. For best appearance, the shape should be visually centered on the gable or wall. For gables, start by dropping a plumb line to find and mark the center of the gable. Next, measure the height of the gable in inches on this line. The purpose of this simple equation is to find out the number of courses or rows. Then divide the height of the gable measurement that was taken. For octagon, divide by 9 5/8 inches. If the answer is an even number, center the first course of octagons on a keyway. If the answer is an odd number, center the first course on an octagon. Measure and mark a level chalk line for the top of the panel. For straight walls, measure the length of the wall and find and mark the center. Begin installation with a starter strip by ripping a piece of similar colored lap siding or by overlapping a previous course of lap siding, a minimum of 2 1/8 inches. Next, install the first panel by aligning with the level chalk line. Fasten 3/4 of an inch down from the top of the panel into the sheathing and/or framing using a corrosion-resistant ring shank nail. Ring shank nails are required because of the off-stud joining. Fasten every 8 inches on center. Do not place fasteners into the bottoms of the grooves or shiplaps. Continue to install panels by overlapping shiplap butt ends without any gap. Continue to fasten in the same manner. Finish rows by installing a cut piece, leaving a 3/16 inch gap against the trim or soffit. Start subsequent courses in the same manner by overlapping courses a minimum of 2 1/8 inches. Continue to measure up 9 5/8 inches and snap chalk lines to get the correct overlap. Start subsequent courses in the same manner by overlapping courses a minimum of 2 1/8 inches. Continue to measure up 9 5/8 inches and snap chalk lines to get the correct overlap. Offset each course to affect staggered joints. Best appearance is obtained by installing the second course starter piece 21 inches shorter than the first course. Start the third course starter piece 27 inches shorter than the second course. Repeat this same sequence every 3 courses for the wall or gable. Shim siding at the studs as needed to avoid drawing the siding to uneven walls.